Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po muli si HR Jen. Today, I'll share 5 tips to get your HR team and employees ready for the bear months. And I'll give you examples for each one. Number 1, review workload and staffing. Ang goal po nito ay siguraduhin sapat ang tao para sa peak season. Halimbawa, kung nasa retail or BPO industry kayo, baka kailangan kayong mag-hire ng 5 to 10 seasonal staff starting October. Gamitin ang attendance and performance data ng last year na fourth quarter para i-predict kung kailan kailangan magdagdag ng tao. Number 2, plan leaves early. Ang goal po nito, iwasan ang last-minute leave approvals lalo na sa December. Halimbawa, maglabas ng memo this August na may cut-off sa pag-file ng vacation leaves. Halimbawa, hanggang until October 15 ang mag-file ng leave. Gamitin ang HRIS para i-track kung sino pa ang may natitirang leave credits at magpaalala via email or chat. Number 3, communicate goals clearly. Ang goal po nito, everyone should be aligned sa targets. Halimbawa, magpa-town hall si HR at department heads para i-announce ang final fourth quarter KPIs. Pwede rin magpadala ng goal sheets per team with clear deadlines and expectations. Halimbawa, yung sales quota, project deliveries, or customer satisfaction targets. Number 4, start wellness programs. Ang goal po nito, stress season nito, so support mental health. Halimbawa, mag-launch ng wellness every Wednesday, every week. Starting September, pwede may 30-minute mindfulness break, stretching session, or quick mental health tips via email or group chat. Also, remind employees that they can talk to HR or access your EAP or Employee Assistance Program kung meron. Number 5, prepare year-end activities. Ang goal po nito, appraisals, bonuses, and parties. Lahat kailangan planado na. Halimbawa, start coordinating with finance as early as now for 13-month pay schedules. Set appraisal timelines, self-evaluation in October, final rating in November. And kung may party or recognition day, mag-survey na this week for venue or virtual ideas. By preparing these things early, HR can lead the way to a smoother and happier year-end. So let's get ready, not just for the holidays, but for the success. God bless everyone!